Welcome to America!
Wow, I got in. I was speechless,
Seriously? Seriously?
Now, go! Action!
Lead where you stand!
没有路路高，不必来自梦想高，爬了丢鸭子。
Park, National Park tomorrow. It's gonna be fun. Columbia jacket. Ah, this is cool. Good. Even the cold weather.
What I've realized is that the community organizations in Montana work together each other in a very cooperative way.
I learned a lot, like culture, people over here, they living in peaceful and they really willing to contribute their time to, in the purpose of helping and developing their community better.
I study in Indian Education for All that encourage native students and non-native students to learn more about the Indian education in a fun way.
Volunteering is not only improve our society, but also volunteers themselves will change for being a better person. Strong management and strong collaboration are the two important things that I would like to bring at home.
Wisely program is the way that teaching people how to fish, not giving people fish.
Wisely Professional Fellows Program gives me an opportunity to learn more about how to run organization effectively or professionally.
There are so many non-profit here. They serve to encourage volunteer, so that I will apply this in my country, especially for the student. I will create a program to support the student to be volunteering to help and work with the community.
I see a lot of collaboration between NGOs and a lot of sectors, like even if they're not NGO, there is no clear line between their cooperation. Like there is no cut or they don't exclude each other.
The way the non-profit organizations find their potential donors and work with them to engage them in their activities, I believe that it's going to help a lot when I apply those knowledge and practices in my foundation.
Montana is a strong communities with people who really wanted to involve in the community to help. I wanted to bring back home the method to empowerment women, to make women become the leader of the next generations.
I love Michula! Chào cô.
สวัสดีค่ะ
จมเรียบซัว
โอ้ยบอกว่าเอาเส้นนี้ สบายดี